Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abashed. 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 The word abashed is an adjective that describes someone who feels embarrassed, ashamed, or disconcerted due to a perceived mistake, failure, or awkward situation. It signifies a loss of self-confidence in a particular moment. Here are a few examples of how you could use abashed in sentences. 1. She felt abashed when she realized she had mispronounced a word during her speech. 2. His sudden stumble on stage left him looking abashed in front of the audience. 3. Despite her extensive preparation, she felt abashed by the unexpected question. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.